Digital Agriculture Mission. It is conceived as an umbrella scheme to support digital agriculture initiatives such as creating digital public infrastructure, implementing the Digital General Crop Estimation Survey, and taking up other IT initiatives by the central government, state governments, and academic and research institutions. Three major components of DPI are envisaged under the Digital Agriculture Mission: AgriStack, Krishi Decision Support System, and Soil Profile Maps. Each of these DPI components will provide solutions that will allow farmers to access and avail of various services. AgriStack, the farmer-centric DPI. AgriStack consists of three foundational agri-sector registries or databases: Farmer Registry, Geo-reference villages, Village Maps, and Crop Zone Registry, all of which will be created and maintained by state or union territory governments. Farmers Registry. It will be given a digital identity, farmer ID, similar to Aadhaar, which will be linked dynamically to records of land, ownership of livestock, crops, zone, demographic details, family details, schemes and benefits aware, etc. Pilot projects for the creation of farmer IDs have been carried out in 6 districts: Farrukhabad, Uttar Pradesh; Gandhinagar, Gujarat; Beed, Maharashtra; Yamunanagar, Haryana; Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab; and Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. Crop Zone Registry. It will provide details of crops planted by farmers. The information will be recorded through digital crop surveys, mobile-based ground surveys in each crop season. Geo-reference village maps. It will link geographic information on land record with their physical locations. Krishi DSS. It will create a comprehensive geospatial system to unify remote sensing based information on crops, soil, weather and water resources, etc. This information will support crop map generation for identifying crop zone patterns, droughts, flood monitoring, and technology model based yield assessment for settling crop insurance claims by farmers. Soil profile maps. Under the mission, detailed soil profile maps on a 1:10,000 scale of about 142 million hectares of agricultural land are envisaged to be prepared. Detailed soil profile inventory of about 29 million has already been completed. What is Digital Public Infrastructure DPI? It is an open source identity platform that can be used to access a wide variety of government and private services by building applications and products on a set of application programming interface APIs like India Stack.